Okay, I'm going to show you how to clean up your machine or get rid of a lot of old rubbish on your machine that you no longer need. Stuff what's stored on the machine you probably don't even know about. And it's basically called the Windows Disk Cleanup tool. It's built into most versions of modern Windows. So we're going to show you on Windows 10, but you can use it on Windows 8, 7, and even at the moment from the preview versions of Windows 11. So what you do at the bottom where it says type here to search, you just type in DSK. And it says disk cleanup on best match. You would then click that. If it doesn't show that, just type in disk and then put CL and it should come up disk cleanup. If you haven't got where it says type here to search and you've got a little magnifying glass instead, you can click on that and do the same thing. It'll ask you to type something to search. Or you can click on the start button at the bottom left and just start typing and it should come up. So if I spell that correctly, it would help. So DISK and it comes up disk cleanup, and then you click on that and it opens up. For any reason you're having issues doing that, you can also press the Windows key on your keyboard and the R key for run on your keyboard at the same time, and it will open up a box what looks like this. Type in that box clean mgr, so that's CLEAN mgr, and then press OK, and it will take you to exactly the same place. Now on here you can tick all the boxes of things you do or do not want on the machine. So for example, it'll empty the recycle bin, downloaded program files. Generally all this stuff is rubbish, so feel free to tick it all, but obviously if you're not sure, then don't tick it. Again, if you're one of these people who stores anything in your recycle bin for whatever strange reason, then obviously you may not want to tick that, but generally the recycle bin is there because it's a rubbish bin basically. If you want to delete even more files, which I recommend, actually click on where it says clean up system files. This will get rid of files like for Windows updates, security, antivirus, temporary files and stuff like that. So you just go down and tick the list. Make sure you scroll up and down this list here and tick everything on there, and then it'll tell you how much it's going to remove and you press OK. Now this can take anywhere from seconds to potentially over an hour, depending on how fast your machine is and how slow it is. So if you've got a really fast machine, it shouldn't take too long, but again, if it's been a long time since you've actually done a cleanup, it could potentially take quite a while because it's got a lot to clean. On top of that, there are other tools in Windows built in there to clean it up and stuff. I'm not going to run through those now, and there are tools you can download off the internet. A popular one people use is called CCleaner. Personally, I recommend you try and use the ones built into Windows. Less chance you're going to have an issue, less chance you're going to download a virus, less chance you're going to go to the wrong place and get involved in a scam where they want to start getting money off you, and things along that lines. And we see it numerous times where people have also had privacy issues using these online tools, and CCleaner is one of the ones where a lot of people do have privacy issues, as in they basically potentially could be selling on your details. So again, we prefer to use the Windows built-in disk cleanup over any downloaded tools because of this. Thank you for watching this video, everyone. It's really appreciated you made it all the way to the end. Please make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and even click that bell so you get notifications of new videos and live streams. It does help support the channel, and supporting the channel basically means that we can release more content for you and also better quality content going forward. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.